Hello! This baked version of Eggroll is something you would want to give a try. In fact, you want to try it because it tastes better, yes, than the fried version. So add all your dry ingredients together, mix together with a spatula to properly combine, and then add in butter, mix till it looks like breadcrumb, add in your egg, and then milk, lastly to form a dough. There's no need to set the dough aside to rest. You can just go over to roll, or if you want it to rest, allow it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. So I already have my hard-boiled eggs. I just sprinkled flour on it. Then I'll divide the dough into 4. This can also make 6 egg roll depending on how flat you roll it, but I wanted mine to be very thick, so I cut into 4. So just do as I do in this video. Flatten the dough, then add the egg in the middle, cover and seal. So seal and tighten properly. Do the same with the rest of the dough. So this is the same process with the deep fried egg roll. So it's easy, it's simple. Now that you're done, transfer to a line baking tray and egg wash. Transfer into a preheated oven, bake till it's brown. Yes, it's golden brown like this, and your egg roll is ready, piping hot. So let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe, and thank you for watching.